Guten Abend. Myself Ashu Sharma. I welcome you all in series of German language. Today we have a session on German phrases, and this is lecture number 44. I request you all that please gone through all those previous lectures that I have covered for German language A1 certification, so that will be beneficial in preparation for A1 certification. Now let's practice some more phrases. Some of them you already aware, and some of them new for you. This bring definitely vocabulary portion is stronger and stronger. So make sure that you may note down these things also and revise at home. Okay, let's start with this first one. Good morning. Guten Morgen. I would like Ich möchte. Ich möchte. With pleasure. Gern. With pleasure. Gern. I would like very much. Ich möchte gern some cigars. Zigarren. Zigarren. To have. Haben. To have. Haben. Now in German, little bit twist while speaking. Guten Morgen. Ich möchte gern. Ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. I'd like to have some cigars. Ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. How many? We will lay. We will lay. All right. Gern. How many? We will lay. We will lay. Five, fünf, and some matches. Drei Sure, sure. Now, see, whenever we have such words in which there are so many characters involved, like 10 to 15 in the German, so you have to just speaking in a split manner. Sure. So you have to make some pause in between the pronunciation you are making. Sure. Stry Schulazer. Stry Schulazer. So it speaks like that. Now five and some matches two. Please. Fünf und bitte auch Stry Schulazer. So once you speak it in German right from the first, this is for the practice of speaking, because that section is also important in A1 certification, and you have to practice it. Guten Morgen, gern, ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. Ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. Wie viele gern, wie viele fünf und drei Schulze, fünf und bitte auch drei Schulze, like that. So once you speak this, a little bit soften also required, like Guten Morgen, ich möchte gern, Zigarren haben. Ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. Wie viele gern, wie viele fünf und drei Schulze, fünf und bitte auch drei Schulze, like that. So whenever you start a conversation with someone else, you will practice like that. So you say, oh, Guten Morgen, ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. Ich möchte gern Zigarren haben. Wie viele gern, wie viele fünf und drei Schulze, fünf und bitte auch drei Schulze, like that. So you just try while speaking. Now the next is here you are. Ihr bitte. How much? We will costs. Kostet. Kostet. So you speak like ihr bitte. We will kostet. Kostet. How much does the cost? We will kostet das. The cigars. Die Zigarren kosten. Two, zwei. Mark, mark, mark. The cigars cost 2 marks. Die Zigarren kosten 2 Mark. Die Zigarren kosten 2 Mark. The matches, die Streichhölzer, 10 cent, cent. Penny, pennies, Pfennig, Pfennig, Pfennig. The matches cost 10 pennies. Die Streichhölzer kosten 10 Pfennig. Would like moisten? Would you like moisten Sie? Some cigarettes. Zigaretten, cigaretten. Remember this, that whenever there is a plural, usually we have this N as the end of that radical. So it is generally, we use N once we have that plural, like here we have S. So end with this N in German speaking. So let's practice again from this one. Here you are. I'm just trying to speak these German words. Ihr bitte, wie viel kostet? Wie viel kostet das? Die Zigarren kosten 2 Mark. Die Zigarren kosten 2 Mark. Die Streichhölzer sind Pfennig. Die Streichhölzer kosten 10 Pfennig. Moisten Sie Zigaretten? Would you like to have some cigarettes too? Möchten Sie auch Zigaretten haben? Sie kosten. Yes. How much do they cost? Ja, wie viele kosten sie? Eine Mark. Eine Mark. Here you are. Bitte schön. Thank you. Danke schön. So this is the way you just practice 1 or 2 times. You definitely will get 8 out of 10 or 7 out of 10 once you speak it regularly. And this is all about that practice requirement once you learn new languages. Thank you very much for being with me in this session. If you like these videos, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may get the notification of the latest uploaded video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.